Okay, boys, girls, I graded your practice from practice 1 to practice 3, this chapter 9, and then I decided that I will make this video to explain some numbers because a lot of you did this mistake. So please listen, please watch it until finished. Okay, let's start from chapter 9, practice 1. Number 1, almost all of you correct, so I will skip number 1. And then let's go to page 220. Number 2. It's very easy. I don't know, have you watched my tutorial video about textbook or not? If you skip it, surely that you did the mistake for number 2. Okay, this is the recorded the height and mass of 9 students on cards. It's very easy. Once again, it's very easy. Gunarto, height, mass. Until the last person here, Siti, height and mass. Okay, here is the table. Look at the name first. Look at the name. Gunarto, height. How many the height? Look at the card about Gunarto here. Gunarto, height 160, mass 58. Just complete it here. Okay, it's so difficult. And then I was disappointed about this number because some students did mistake with this number. Hartika. Okay, find Hartika. This is the card of Hartika. Height 140, mass 48. Just complete it here. 140 already filled. So the mass, how many? The mass 48. Is it difficult? No, right? Until the last person, Siti. Name card Siti here, height 140. This is 40. That's all. I will skip this. Later you can see from my answer key. Okay. Number 3. Okay, number 3. Some of you did mistake with this. Yeah. Number 9 and number F. The greatest number of pets adopted from the Pet Lovers Club were. Oke, jadi ini tuh yang ditanya tuh petnya, namanya apa, yang jumlahnya paling banyak diadopsi oleh si Pet Lovers Club, yang dipiara tuh berapa banyak. Bukan berapa banyaknya, tapi apa nama hewan yang paling banyaknya? Ya white mice, bukan kamu tulisnya pakai angka. Number F also the same, the less number of pets. Pets yang paling sedikit diadopt itu apa? Ya rabbits, bukan kamu jawabnya pakai angka 5. And then here kamu jawabnya pakai angka 18. Makanya misalahin. Ya. Oke, that's number 3. Miss cuma mau bahas 2 nomor terakhir aja karena memang beberapa salah dengan itu. Ya, next. Page 122. This is easy. I think you forgot about the scale of the graph, the bar graph. Okay, look at here. 1 square here, look at. 0 until 10. So, satu boxnya ini 10. So, in the middle here, berarti tengah-tengahnya berapa? Ya, kamu tinggal bagi 2 aja. 0 plus 10 is 10. So, divided by 2, 5. Jadi ini skipnya 5 number, each 5. This is 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 20 plus 5, 25. This is 35. This is 45. Until the last one, 75. Yeah, please, the scale is important to answer all questions below the bar graph. If this is wrong, this is incorrect, make surely that you will answer wrongly. Okay, that's it. Chapter 9, lesson 1. We are going to continue to practice 2. Do you know why before I like that? Because actually it's easy, but I don't know why this practice, more than 5 students got below 70. It's only the table, and then I think you didn't read the questions, the table carefully. Okay, let's start. Number 1. See the title here about collector. Collector Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. We have 3 countries here. The collector's name, Lisa Vincent, and then the total number of stamps collected. Please listen. Lisa plus Vincent's belonging will be this number. So, you will do it column by column. Masa ditambahinnya ke samping kan nggak mungkin ya. Masa ini jadi 8 nih, 2, 3. Aduh, bisa sampai bingung. Okay, Singapore. Lisa 15. Vincent still unknown. Totalnya 45. Jadi diapain? Subtract the number. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 30. Easy kan? This is something plus 18 equals 60. This is the total. 60 minus 18. This is 2, and then 5 minus 1, 42. The last, Thailand. 52 minus 23, 29. If you finish with the table, Miss mau bahas yang number 1, question B until F. I think it's clear enough and then not difficult. Go to the next page. Page 224, number 2, the last number on practice 2. A lot of students did the mistake with this. Even some of you just make the table blank without fill anything. The table shows the number of 50 rupiah coins, and 100 rupiah coins the 5 students saved. Ali, dia kumpulinnya 16 koin. Nah, berapa jumlah uangnya? Rupiah. 16 times 50. Berapa? 16 times 5 dulu deh. 16 times 5, 80. We still have 10 from here. 100. So, ini semuanya kaliin 50. Kan kolomnya kolom 50. Terus kenapa malah ngaco-ngaco ya beberapa dari kamu? 10 times 5, 50. There is 1 0. Add 1. This is 18 times 5, 90. 1 0. 21 times 5, 105. 1 0. 75 and then 1 0. Now, the second blank column, 100 rupiah coins. Ini jumlah koin yang dikumpulin, bukan jumlah rupiahnya. Ya, ini dikaliin semuanya sama 100. Aduh, very easy. Nggak tahu tuh dinonton gak sih Miss bikin video yang sebelumnya? Kaliin 20 kali 1 20. Nolnya 2. 7 times 1 7. 0 2. 24, 0 2, 9, double zeros, 50 and double zeros. Kalau udah diapain? Bukan semuanya ditambahin, tapi rupiahnya yang kamu tambahin. Baca dong, ini ada ERP. Ini tambah ini berapa? Lengkapin sendiri sisanya. Ya, Miss harap ngerti yang nomor 2 kalau ketemu lagi soal gini. About this practice. Yeah, I think no problem with the rest questions, only complete the table. Okay, the last practice 3. Yeah, one by one. The problem is still about the scale of the line graphs. Okay, look at here. 0 to 20, it needs 2 squares. So, what do you think? Ini kira-kira di tengah-tengahnya berapa? Ya, 0 plus 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. So, setiap satu boxnya, ini jumpnya, skipnya itu 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ya. Terus tinggal dijawab deh sama kalian. Nih, in the second week. Second itu apa? Ini second. Masa ininya aja jangan-jangan kamu nggak tahu. Ini first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Secondnya berapa? Di sini titiknya. Lihat ke sebelah sini, dia angka berapa? Oke, 50. Ini berarti 50. Ya. Oke, number E. Why do you think there was a big increase in newspaper collection from the 4th to the 5th week? Ya, you can make any reasons. Terserah kamu lah reasonsnya mau apa, yang pasti cukup masuk akal. Kenapa kira-kira ada increasing dari 4th week ke 5th week? Mungkin marketingnya lagi oke, terus banyak yang lagi butuh juga orang-orang. Ya, just make the reasons that make sense. Okay, next. Page 2 to 6. Yuk, nih udah ada nih. 0. Ini 4, itu 2 box. 1, 2. Dibagi 2, berarti satu boxnya itu ya 2. 4 bagi 2, 2. Jadi ini skipnya 2 numbers by 2. 2 by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Berarti ininya 14. Continue 16, 18, 20, 22. Ya. Nih, please. We have the same number here, 6 and 6, but different time. This is AM, this is PM. This is important to answer the questions below. Okay, 6 AM, how many? 10. 8 AM, 12. 10 AM, 16. Continue until 6 PM, 14. Okay? Miss mau bahas yang number E and number F. Number E, during which 2-hour interval. Artinya kamu akan jawab tuh 2. Interval mana sama interval mana yang temperaturnya itu increase, meningkat, naik 4 derajat. Kita lihat aja yang naik. Ini naik, tapi cuma 2. Ini naik 2 kotak, berarti naiknya 4. Jam berapa ini? Lihat ke bawah, jam 8 sama jam 10. Itu answers yang E. Selesai kan? Oke, question F. During which 2-hour interval, akan ada 2 interval, 2 jawaban, decrease, menurun. Temperaturnya yang menurunnya paling drastis, paling besar. Kita lihat yang turun mana. Dari sini turun. Kita ada 2 option. We have 2 options. Either here or here. Ini turunnya 2 kotak. 1, 2. Berarti turunnya 4 degrees. Yang ini cuman sekali turunnya tuh. See? Cuman di sini doang. So, this is smaller. Decreasing. Jadi kita cari yang ini. Ini jawaban kita. Jam berapa aja? 2 PM and 4 PM. That's number F. Yang ini cuma tinggal ditambahin ya. Difference-nya the highest and the lowest itu berapa. Okay, number 3. Page 227. No, the scale again. 2 boxes, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So, automatically 1,000 plus 0, 1,000 divided by 2. Jadi tengah-tengahnya berapa? 500. 1,000 plus 500, 1,500. Semuanya ini yang in the middle-nya tambahin 500 dari angka sebelumnya. Sampai di sini 6.500. Ya, itu scale-nya. So, March, berapa March? 3.500. April, 2,000. May, tengah-tengah, 4,500. June, ding dong ding dong, 6,000. July, tengah-tengah nih, the middle nih, 1,500. If you already know this, the scale already correct, you will answer them also correctly. Now, I will discuss this number, E. They charge 4,000 per hour. 1 jamnya itu 4.000 rupiah. Yang bisa didapatkan di bulan April. Kita lihat hours April itu berapa. How many hours? April 2,000. So 2,000 times 4,000 equal 2 times 4, 8. Lihat ada berapa zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there will be 6 zeros. Finish. This number E. Yep, the last number. Yeah, number 4. Temperature of object. Ya, 2 boxes. Nih, ada 2. This is 20. So, in the middle-nya tambahin 20 tambah 0, 20 bagi 2, 10. So, ini skip-nya itu 10, 10. 30 sampai di sini 170 yang in the middle-nya. Nih. Okay. The first hours we have 50 di sini. Nih 50. Second hours 70. Third hours 90. Fourth hours 110. And in the last hours 130. Ini angka-angka ini you will move it in the table number D. Nih, 030 already just complete this based on what I said here. Kalau udah, sisanya tinggal dijawab seperti biasa. Nah, berapa sih? Ini same amount of every hour atau enggak sih? Iya dong. 30 jadi 50, 20 range-nya. Ini range-nya 20. Ini juga 20. Ini increasing-nya 20. It is also increase-nya 20. So, the last number is yes. Yeah, this is the end of chapter 9. We have done with the workbook and the textbook. And then later, maybe on the next meeting, we will prepare for the summative. You will do some quizzes or some practices just for review. Okay, thank you 5A, B, and C. Miss hopes that all of you will understand this chapter 9. Okay, goodbye, and then please don't forget to click answers key for practice 1, practice 2, and practice 3. Don't ignore this message. Okay, goodbye.